You are stronger than this season, stronger than the exhaustion, stronger than the doubt, stronger than the days you felt like giving up. Even if you don't feel strong right now. If you've been feeling tired in ways rest doesn't fix. If you've questioned whether you're still capable. If uncertainty has made you doubt your own strength. This message is for you. Because strength doesn't always look like pushing forward. Sometimes it looks like surviving quietly. Dream Life Diaries is a space for women who have carried a lot. Women who have been strong for families, careers, relationships, and life itself, and are now in seasons of healing, rebuilding, and becoming. This isn't about hustle or proving anything. It's about honoring quiet resilience, emotional healing, and growth at your own pace. Here, strength is not loud. It's gentle. It's steady. It's real. Quiet strength is getting up when your heart feels heavy. It's choosing kindness toward yourself after years of self-criticism. It's setting boundaries where you once overgave. It's resting without guilt. It's continuing even when no one sees how hard it is. You don't have to be loud to be strong. Sometimes surviving is the bravest thing you'll ever do. There may be days when you feel fragile, when old confidence feels distant, when you wonder if burnout changed you forever. But burnout didn't take your strength. It taught you where your limits were. Uncertainty didn't weaken you. It stretched you. Every season you survived added wisdom you didn't have before. Even now, you are stronger than you think. Think about everything you've made it through. Moments you thought would break you, but didn't. Days you kept going even when it was hard to breathe emotionally. Strength isn't about never struggling. It's about continuing with tenderness. Your resilience lives in every small step forward and every pause you honored. What if this season isn't here to defeat you, but to deepen you? What if slowing down isn't weakness, but wisdom? What if the quiet rebuilding happening inside you is creating a stronger foundation than rushing ever could? You're not falling apart. You're becoming more rooted. If this message feels like encouragement, you belong here. Subscribe to Dream Life Diaries for calm, honest support for women healing from burnout, navigating change, and rebuilding their lives with faith and intention. Share this video with someone who needs a reminder of their strength today. And if it feels safe, comment below. What has this season taught you about your own resilience? You are stronger than this season, stronger than the doubt, stronger than the exhaustion, stronger than the uncertainty. Not because you never struggled, but because you kept going with courage, quietly, gently, faithfully. And this quiet strength you're building now, this is how gentle rebuilding becomes unshakable strength.